Hello students and welcome to Physical Science. I am making this video to first introduce myself if I haven't already, but also to show you around our Google Classroom, tell you where things are going to be, and really just make sure we know what we're doing. So this is the main landing page. If you're on a computer, it looks like this. Up top, obviously we have the name, the period we're supposed to be in, the class code, but you don't need that anymore. And then we have this Meet link. As far as this Meet link goes, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday during first period from 7:35 to 8:20, I am just going to be at that Meet link, just have my camera up, ready to talk to anybody who comes. It's not like I'm going to make you wake up at 7:35. I know that's probably not going to happen even if I said you needed to. So I'm just going to have that available for you. If you have questions about assignments, then please come to that link. I will be there. You don't have to stay the whole time. If you show up for 5 minutes, we get your question answered, then that's great. But that Meet link is here, and it will always be there for your use. Over on the left-hand side, if there's something due, then you'll see it pop up over here. So when we have an assignment post on Monday, you can see it over there. It'll say 8:10 to 8:11, so it'll have the assignment date on it. On this main page, all I'm trying to put here is major announcements and our weekly agendas. So we have our first weekly agenda here. If you click on it, I'm going to go ahead and do that. You'll see our weekly agenda for the week. On the left, we'll see I can statements. This is what we should be able to do after we've done our virtual activities. And then over here on the right-hand side, we have our learning schedule. So each set of 2 days, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, Thursday, you're going to have 2 videos. So you see the requirements over here. We've got both videos need to be watched, and I basically know you've done that because you answered the questions in the Google form with it. And then you're going to have a choice of 5 virtual activities. You only have to choose 4 of those. Now usually there will be 1 that's mandatory, but you have a choice of the other 3 out of 4 that you want to complete. And you'll see that again in the assignment. And then on Tuesday, we'll have a lesson check to be completed. That'll also be posted separately, and you'll see that be posted on Tuesday as well. On Thursday, you'll have a lesson check over the Wednesday, Thursday learning. Same thing, we have to watch both videos, 4 out of 5 of those virtual activities, and you'll tell me which 4 out of 5 you've done. And then Friday will be a quiz over the combined learning from Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday. So whatever was on these 2 lesson checks, those together will be on this quiz on Friday. So that's the first week. Let me go back to the classroom. All of our stuff is going to be housed in the classwork tab, so I'll click on that. This will be posted shortly after this video is made. Right now you can't see it, but you see it's got the unit number, the name, and then the dates that are applicable to that assignment. If I click on it, I see the directions. This is very important to read. This tells me what I should do for each day or each set of 2 days to be complete. So the first thing we should do is watch the 2 videos. Those are going to be down here at the bottom. The names are exactly the same in the directions. Answer the included questions for each, and you're done. Then we're going to pick 4 out of 5 of the activities. You'll notice activities are labeled 1 through 5. It does say everyone must complete number 1, so you have no choice. You must do number 1. I would do that first. And then out of the rest of the 4, we pick 3 to do. When you're done with that, we're going to click Turn In, and then you're going to leave a comment telling me which 4 activities you completed. So if you chose not to do activity 4, your comment would say, I did activities 1, 2, 3, and 5. That's all you have to say. And that tells me which ones to look at to make sure that we've done it, and I can grade you using the rubric. So that's the assignment. That's what it'll look like every Monday and Tuesday, and then again Wednesday and Thursday, and then again Fridays we'll just have a quiz, or if it's test week, we'll have a test. Down here at the very bottom, we have a unit called Tech Resources. If there's something technical that we have to do, such as like take a screenshot of our screen, or other things that may come up along the way, I will post videos of myself doing those here, or if it's a screenshot, I'll post a link that talks about how do I screenshot on a phone, how do I screenshot on a Mac, how do I screenshot on a Chromebook or PC. Those will all be here for you to use. As we go through the semester, this is going to get pushed further and further down the screen. So to reduce the scrolling, if you ever need to get to the tech resources, just click over here on tech resources and then it'll pop right up so you don't have to scroll. If you do all topics, you'll see all of them. If you're worried about what do I do this week, we're only in a unit 1, so just click unit 1 and there's only one assignment. You shouldn't need to get into the people tab, and then you should have a grades tab as well that just shows your grades on all your assignments. You can see if I've graded it and returned it. You can see if you have yet to complete it. But as far as that goes, that is our Google Classroom. The most important things really are, you can click over here to do a quick link to your assignment. The meeting link is right here. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays during first period, I'm available. Come ask me questions if you don't understand something. If you really don't understand something about the tech side of it, using your computer or laptop or Chromebook, then you can ask me that question, but I'll probably answer with the video for everyone in the tech resources. And if I do, I'll send a remind out with that information. Speaking of remind, if you click this arrow, you'll get the remind code for our class. Remind is the quickest way to get in touch with me if you need to ask me a question. If you send me a remind, I'll typically respond probably within an hour or so. If you send me an email, it might be 24 hours before I respond. So definitely take advantage of, this should say text, not test. If you text that to 81010, you'll join using text message. But definitely send me reminds with your questions, and I'll get to them as fast as I can. So I hope this is a good start, and I hope we have a good start to our year this week, and I look forward to working with you all and seeing you all come to these meets bright and early at 7:35.